Welcome to NoobTube day number 28. So we are right now, today is the 27th of September. I'm covering events that happened yesterday on the 26th of September because it's still the morning. Actually, it's in the afternoon when I'm making this video. We are preparing for a hurricane here in central Florida. Now, most of the time, Florida gets a lot of hurricanes, but they generally don't come in from the Gulf. But this time they're saying that there's going to be a major hurricane where my mother and her brother live. My brother lives. They live on the west coast of Florida, and they're looking at getting a Category 3 hurricane. It may be a Category 1 hurricane as it travels up north, and we're going to get a lot of that. So the next couple of days are going to be pretty interesting because we're not used to that, and definitely where my extended family live, they're not used to that. So right after making this video, I'm going to go pick up some more things at the store just in case, and be ready to weather the storm, literally. So I don't know, that may affect my plans. School is closed. Today's an early day, early release, and then school is closed Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you can see that people are taking this very seriously. It could be as catastrophic as Hurricane Katrina. I don't know if that's going to be the case, but we are planning. If my goal plans are interrupted and I don't make a video because there's no power or I can't go to the gym, that's why. I asked the gym today how it's going to affect them, and they don't know yet. So yesterday I got up really early. My wife woke up really early, and that caused me to wake up. Woke up about 4 o'clock in the morning, took care of a lot of emails, looked at some surplus funds cases. I have 7 cases now, so there were some surplus funds issues. I also did payroll. I pay 2 virtual assistants that remain with me. I paid them. I exercised at home on the treadmill for 45 minutes, walking with a 2-minute jog. And boy, that's been taking, ever since I started doing that, I've been really exhausted. Just been, body's been revolting a little bit, because with going on the treadmill and walking, even just walking into the gym, going through the motions of going into the gym. And this is in addition to the work I'm doing on the treadmill at home. Going into the gym, body's kind of revolting, just been kind of tired, but I'm determined to do this. So while it is day number 28, actually, 28 is the day of making the 28th video in this sequence. I was just reading something today. When you do something for 40 days straight, then it really has a impact on everything else that you do. So I am committed to doing this. Now, if the hurricane interrupts it and I'm not able to do it, that's just suspended time. That's the way I see that. But I did exercise, and then I went to the gym, and I did 6 minutes on the treadmill. I had to come back because I had an appointment, and I just did 6 minutes on the treadmill, in addition to the 45 minutes I did at home. And then I had the chair massage at Planet Fitness. Took Becky to school. I watched Module 3-2 and did some more Remote Wellness Academy work. I had 2 doctor's appointments in the morning, and I had a Century 21 training in the afternoon. And then in the evening, I went to bed around 7 o'clock because I was exhausted after getting up so early in the morning. So that was my day yesterday. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions. I'm going to the store right after this because even though I went to the grocery store just a couple days ago, I want to make sure that I get everything that is needed. All right, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.